Hello everybody and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today in this video I'm going to be swapping the RAM out in this computer. First of all, from what we remember in the last episode, there is 2 sticks of 2GB RAM. I'm going to be putting a single 16 gig stick of RAM in this computer. It's only going to be on a single channel, which in most ways that can be a bad thing. If you're going to run a hefty computer, this is DDR3, so DDR3 on single channel is pretty bad. It's going to be old technology, so eventually this computer is going to go out of spec completely, even because DDR3 is going to be really bad for a computer running these days. But you know, if someone is wanting to get this computer just so that they can play some cheap games on it, then that's fine by me. It means that this RAM won't have to be used too much. But this is the RAM. If we look here on the spec sheet, it says 16 gigabytes of DDR3. I did get a better camera for this. I got my mom's phone so I can get some better shots, but 16 gigs DDR3, 16 megahertz, 1600 megahertz. So let's take out this RAM. I might just it's gonna be pretty hard trying to replace stuff when you've got a phone in your hand, but we've completely got the power off, I think. Make sure, you know, you gotta hold the power button, ground yourself as well. Make sure you've statically removed all bit of power on you. And let's remove the sticks of RAM, because we could, in theory, keep these in. We could have 20 gigs of RAM, but that's just really bad for your computer to run in most ways. Okay, yeah, same thing. I believe that with a normal single slot stick of RAM, it's best to just put it in between either first or second slot. It doesn't really matter because you're not going to have a second stick in another channel, so I may as well put this in the second channel just in case I want to get another 16 stick. Probably won't be happening, but it's a good indicator for someone else who's going to use this computer if they want to upgrade literally 32 gigs of RAM. It's a bit hard when you've got a cable pushing against you and you don't want to wreck anything, so I'm going to put that slack over there. Make sure that the ends are correct. So in this case I got that end and firm press. Make sure all things are clicked in. I don't have to worry about these, but you know, just because of looks, there we go. Everything looks flush. There we go. I have installed this stick of RAM, and for the view, I'm going to turn on this thing and see how it runs. So I'll be back. Okay, so now the process at which I need to make sure that this computer works is by booting it up. So I'm just gonna push that button. If it boots up, you know, that's gonna be great. So our mouse should be connected and our keyboard should be connected. Let's hope that the RAM shows up as 16 gigs when it boots. Oh, it's booting. There we go. Windows logo. Fascinating. This may take a while. I'll just wait until it's booted up. Okay, so this thing has been taking a long time to boot. So instead, I'm going to go into the BIOS instead. Apparently, what I've learned is that there's the power button and then there's a reset button. So if I press that, it turns the computer off. So let me just mash delete key. Okay. So this is weird. Oh, this is actually the coolest BIOS I've ever seen. Check connected PCI device, bus speed and options enabled. So it's counting at 1600 mega. Wow, alright, this thing is cool. Very janky, but you know. So as you can see, memory frequency is normal. Total memory size, there we go. So we can see that we got 16 gigs of RAM. Our CPU frequency is 3.1 gigahertz. BIOS date. 2012. Well, that makes sense. What BIOS is this called? Gigabyte. Oh, it's Gigabyte UEFI dual BIOS. Okay, I might have to update the BIOS in this thing. I'm definitely gonna have to do that. I could boot this thing up, but I'm pretty sure it's just gonna take a bit of time. So what I'm gonna do is finish off this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when my next video comes out. Also, please make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.